Hey friends, your girl here, Tanisha, and I'm just going to simply tell you about the retail arbitrage on Amazon. Now, Gary Vee talked about this a little bit on Instagram, and he was saying that we are in the best opportunity time right now where all of these retailers are starving, where they're being killed by Amazon, okay? Literally, all right? So what is retail arbitrage? So I'm on my phone right now, on my other phone, and Walmart has a clearance, right? Target has a clearance rack. Sears has a clearance. All of these big box retailers have a clearance, right? So some people may say, okay, well, if all of these retailers have a clearance, why wouldn't I just go to these retailers' clearance site or these clearance sections and buy what I need from there instead of going to Amazon? I want you guys to understand how this works. Amazon has over 800 million customers that trust Amazon, that love Amazon, that they literally have their address, their credit card information, their bank information in Amazon's platform. You literally can buy, okay? You literally, guys, can buy thousands of dollars worth of stuff on Amazon, on your Amazon app in like 2 seconds, okay? Because Amazon makes it so convenient for us to be able to now shop with one click of a button. If you're a Prime member and you have Prime, you literally can order thousands of dollars worth of stuff in like 2 seconds and get it shipped to you the same doggone day. So as a business owner, yeah, I'm saying, listen, I want to go get things cheaper. But as a consumer are looking for convenience, right? Think about it for yourself, right? You may be a frugal shopper. You may be a bargain shopper, but majority of the world is not frugal. A majority of the world is not a bargain shopper. People like convenience. That's why social media has blown up, right? Because social media is so convenient. All you got to do is just download, the Facebook app, the Instagram app, the YouTube app, the Snapchat app, and all you're doing is watching, right? So what retail arbitrage is, so you go to Walmart, right? So I'm going to go to Walmart and I'm going to go to household essentials, and I'm going to go to the clearance. Okay, I'm going to go to either the clearance or I'm going to see what rollbacks Walmart has. Okay, so I'm going to look here. So all of this stuff is on clearance, right? So they have brushes for your bathroom. They have clothes, stuff to make his clothes smell good. They have instant repellers. They have Windex. They have pots and pans and Lysol sprays and detergents and deodorants and, all of this stuff. Dial. I mean, they got so much. Like, you can just scroll, right? So what retail arbitrage is, you're going to a retailer, a big box retailer, looking what they have for cheap, seeing how many is selling on Amazon, and then now you can actually place it on Amazon and mark it up for a profit. That's all it is, right? So I have a course that I teach drop shipping, but I also teach retail arbitrage, which is FBA. You could send all the stuff in to Amazon, and Amazon does the work for you. Now, here's the thing. I'm looking at all these videos on YouTube, with all of these guys and girls, white men and, Spanish women. I don't see not a black person up here talking about retail arbitrage. Well, one person right here. One person, he did a video a month ago and he's on the second page. Again, guys, my goal, right? If you've been following, my goal is to help more black people get a part of this wealth transfer with e-commerce. See the color of my skin? I'm black, right? So I need more black people doing it too, right? So this is not hard, guys. Unfortunately, they didn't teach us this in school. Unfortunately, we don't know nothing about this stuff. We're scared, or we don't have the money, or whatever the case is, right? But retail arbitrage on Amazon, guys, is simply going to retailers, finding stuff that is selling on Amazon every day, not stuff that's selling once a week, right? I'm finding stuff that is selling every day on Amazon 10, 20, 30, 100 times per day. I'm going to Walmart. I'm going to Target. I'm going to Sears. I'm going to Wayfair. I'm going to Overstock. I'm going to Belks. I'm going to all these different retailers Okay? Finding what they have for cheap, buy it in bulk, plus I get discounts, plus I get cash back. And then now I'm able to send it to my fulfillment center. And now my fulfillment center send it to Amazon. And all I got to do is just cash the check. Okay. Now, of course, there's fees and stuff involved, which I go through, more into my course. But yeah, this is an easier way for you to make at least $5,000 a month from home. I'm not saying it's the easiest way, right? But it's the easier way than going to a job, right? Than going to college and sitting in an office. Sitting in a classroom trying to get information that's confusing and you're not even going to use when you get out, right? And I'm showing you guys what's relevant. So all the stuff that Walmart puts in their clearance, I got people making $5,000 a month. I got people making $10,000. I got people making $100 a day, literally in my courses right now, right? So retail arbitrage, guys, simply, right? These retailers are dying. They want to get rid of their shit because they don't want to have a bunch of inventory that's just sitting there. So they need people like me and you. The big giant corporations, they're not focusing on this. They're focusing on a stock. So let me see what Walmart stock is right now. I'm going to go to Yahoo Finance. You guys can go to Yahoo Finance, right? Just type in what Walmart stock is right now. So I'm going to Walmart. Let's see what Walmart stock is right now. I'm telling you guys, Walmart. Break those up, baby. Okay, I'm going to see what Walmart stock is. Forget about JCPenney. You go to JCPenney because JCPenney stock right now is like $1. And it's not the time to buy. Okay, let's see what Walmart stock is. Walmart stock is at $100. And in the last year, Walmart stock has went up. So that's basically saying more people have bought Walmart stock. Now, Walmart's not paying a dividend. Okay, Walmart's not paying a dividend, and their market cap is $289 billion. Okay, $289 billion. Okay, so Walmart is trying to come back, right? With with Amazon. They're trying to do 1-day shipping. They're trying to do food delivery. They're trying to do all this stuff. But what Walmart is not realizing is that Amazon has the money. Okay, Amazon has the investors. Okay, these retailers you really can't compete with someone who's way ahead of the game. Okay, Jeff Bezos has his own trucks now. They got their own vans now. They're working on their own planes now. Okay, they done took over Whole Foods. Okay, they done took over PillPack. Okay, so Amazon is literally taking the market by force. They're not competing. They're dominating. They're killing. Right? So what Walmart is trying to do is trying to keep up, right? But in the process of keeping up, they're losing stores. They got to close stores. They're losing, workers. It's a crazy thing. It's a bloodbath for real in retail. So retail arbitrage, guys, is allowing us to be a part of this wealth transfer. So let's see what Amazon stock is right now. So Walmart is $100 a share. And Amazon is $1,800 a share. And in the last year, Amazon stock just went up. Amazon is not paying a dividend. And Amazon company is almost valued at $1 trillion. $920 billion. That's almost $1 trillion dollars, guys. So I'm helping people get in position, right, to do this retail arbitrage, do drop shipping, FBA on Amazon. If you shop online, if you shop on Amazon, if you got your information in Amazon, or even if you don't even shop on Amazon, guys, there's over 800 million people. That's just in America that is shopping on Amazon. That's not worldwide. They've got way more customers, right? But this is just a simple way, guys, for you to spend 2 to 4 hours a day, part-time, to make you a full-time income. Get your life back, get your mind back, get your time back, make some money, and also be able to be with your children. You can go to Target, Walmart, you can go to all these things. Now, can you attempt to do this stuff on your own? Absolutely. Go look at all the YouTube videos and do it for free. But what I learned, right, what I've learned in winning in life is that the path for success is already laid out, right? There's a success path that's already laid out. Right? All you got to do is invest in yourself to follow it. Now, the people that feel like, oh, I don't want to invest in myself, then I can guarantee your bank account ain't looking pretty. I can guarantee your health ain't looking pretty. And I can guarantee you sick of your job. Okay? So you, at some point you have to say, I want to invest in myself so I can follow a path that is proven for success. Nothing comes easy. Even free lunch ain't free. Okay? Even, that's a big strawberry. Even free lunch ain't free. So again, I had to pay. I had to pay for courses. I had to pay someone to show me how to do this stuff. 3 years later, I'm still doing Amazon. I helped over 500 people get started, their own Amazon store, creating their own. And I'm trying to help more black people to understand this, guys. There's so much money out here. We don't have to continue to trade hours for dollars. Right? I'm sitting here fulfilling orders, looking at the Amazon stock, looking at the Walmart stock, looking at the stock market as a whole, looking at Uber stock, all this different stuff, right? We don't have to trade hours for dollars, guys. We only were taught that, right? But what if you were taught to learn how to build a business and then invest your money, right? So that money can grow. Not in a 401k, I'm talking about real estate or stocks or bonds or whatever you need to do, right? To grow your money, right? Continuing to work for money, guys, will kill you very fast. Will put yourself in a position that you don't really want to be in, right? So retail arbitrage, guys, is a big $trillion industry. I wish they would have told us this in school. I wish they would have taught us. But guess what? Thank God for the internet. Thank God for social media, because now we can be able to learn what we need to learn to get out of our situation. Right? 76% of American guys live check to check to check. From check to check. You get paid today, you're broke today. Now you got to keep waiting. Now you keep waiting. And what I love, what I do, I'm able to help people fix their credit. Okay? So you can get access to financing, because I also do finance. See, I got a whole system for my people. Right? If you got bad credit, great. Then I can help you fix your credit. Right? Now, once you get your credit up, I don't think that's good. Once you get your credit going, then guess what? You can apply for financing. Now you can get access up to 250 grand. Now you can run your business and 0% interest for 2 years. Okay? I got the best program. Okay? 0% interest 2 years. There's no application fee at all, right? We just charge you, when you get the money, right? So you ain't got to worry about no upfront costs. And I brokered that deal with the company that I'm with, right? See, I'm all for my people advancing, because I get it. We are 450 years, guys, behind financially, mentally, physically, emotionally, behind all other cultures. We got to wake up. We can't keep living on this hope. We can't keep living on a prayer. Right? Prayer is good, but if all you do is pray and fast and not take any action, you're going to always be destitute. You're going to always be trying to get a quarter raise at the job. Guys, I'm telling you, this is the only and best opportunity for you and your family to get out of your situation. If this is your first time watching my videos, go watch 20 more of my videos, right? Go understand what you need to do to change your situation. Go watch my free webinar at createmyown.economy.com. Go download my ebook, dropshiptoriches.com. Read that stuff, understand, get some new information, learn something new. I done helped thousands of people change their lives straight through my videos. Thousands of people, right? And hundreds of people have paid me, okay? So that I can teach them how to go make money. And people call me crying. People literally send me gifts. Tanisha, I'm thankful for you. I'm happy I found you on YouTube, that you changed my life. Right? I'm here for my people, guys. I am here for my people. We need to advance. And the only way that we can advance, if we get the knowledge to advance, that means we invest in ourselves to advance. We get the knowledge to advance. We can show our children. Right? We can show our spouses. We can show our family. And guess what? We have officially broken the chains. It's each family. Each black family needs to advance so the whole damn race can advance, right? Each one reach one, right? One of my friends, right? One of my business partners, she showed me. She's black, right? Guess what? Now it's my duty to show as many other black people as I can to be able to show them how to do this thing too, okay? Retailers are continuing to bleed. The next 5 to 10 years, you think it's going to be a Walmart around? No. You think it's going to be a Target around? No. Because now Amazon, all these malls that are closing, Guess what? Amazon is buying them up for their warehouses. Amazon is hiring their employees, literally, not even hiring employees. They're contracting their employees to actually now start delivering packages. Amazon not really interested in paying 401ks or pensions or health insurance. They're like, listen, you can make way more money by becoming your own boss. And this is where the world's going, guys. Our ancestors were entrepreneurs. They were going out looking for ways to make money, right? Not, let me go knock on the door. Let me go see if this person will hire me. Let me go see if that person will hire me. No, guys, the world is going back, right? History repeating itself. We're going back to entrepreneurs just like our ancestors, guys. So retail arbitrage is a huge trillion-dollar business that you need to get yourself a part of. Go to createmyown.economy.com, guys, and I'll see you at the top, because the bottom is just too crowded.